So as your party leader and your prime minister, I have to advise you, don't give up certainty for uncertainty. It is not a wise move to even consider allowing the PNP to even put a hand on the management of the economy. So as your party leader and your prime minister, I have to advise you and tell you, and I have to speak generally to the country, don't give up certainty for uncertainty. During the pandemic, there was something called an interruption in the supply chain of goods and services worldwide. Worldwide, not just Jamaica. And what did that do? That caused the price of goods to rise. And every one of you here would have experienced that. You go in the supermarket 1 week and the price of good is X. The next week you go in is X plus 1. The next week you go in is X plus 2. The following week you go in is X plus 3. Almost every week, the prices of the goods that you buy to survive, sometimes the most basic goods, increase. It caused a serious crisis in Jamaica. And this crisis was compounded because some of you had to stay home. You remember that? Stay at home. Some of you lose your job, so you never had any income. So while prices are go up, you don't have any income. That makes you feel miserable, angry, cross. And I totally understand and get it when the average Jamaican got upset with their government. It's not something that we did. We don't have anything to do with it. It's a global phenomenon. But we are the government and we must manage it. What did we do? Aside from the care package, where we spent billions of dollars making sure that the most vulnerable among us got a little cash in their hand. We gave some electricity grants. Some people whose electricity consumption was within a certain band, they got some electricity grants. But the biggest thing that we did was to ensure that we reopen the economy in such a way that every Jamaican who wanted to work could get a work. Because if you get a work, you get some income. And if you get some income, at least you will be able to afford the cost of goods. So it was no error, no accident, no mistake that we can report to you in the recovery of the economy after COVID, the lowest unemployment rate ever in the history of Jamaica at 4.5%.